Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's word of the week for week number 14 is vitamin D. Now the benefits of vitamin D is it supports your immune system, it helps with your bone health, and it improves your overall heart health. Different foods that are rich in vitamin D are carrots, meats, eggs, fish, broccoli, melons, such as cantaloupe, which is one of my favorite, avocados, and much, much more. So make sure you guys stay tuned for your Fast 5 workout as well as your activity for the day. I'll see you soon. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and newest activities. So this week's Fast 5 workout number 14 consists of the following exercises. Number 1, skaters. Number 2, walking lateral squats. 3, push-ups. 4, flutter kicks. So make sure you stay tuned and I repeat, do not go anywhere. All right, so here we go. So exercise number 1 is going to be skaters. So again, if you guys forgot how to do skaters, you're going to have your feet together. You can start on your left side or your right side, completely up to you. And you're just going to jump to the one side and then your back foot hits the floor. And then you're going to jump to the other side, back foot hits the floor. And you go back and forth like you guys are roller skating or ice skating. So those are skaters. We're gonna get into a nice squat position. We're gonna go feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna squat down and we're gonna step 3 steps to your right. And again, you can start on your right or left. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3. And then we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna go 3 to the right. And then we're gonna go 3 to the left. Again, walking lateral squat. We got push-ups. Now, there's gonna be 3 variations of push-ups. If you are not yet comfortable doing a push-up, that is okay. You guys can do a push-up plank. So you're gonna place your hands facing forward. Never turn your wrist out. You can really damage your wrist, okay? So we're gonna go into a plank position, push-up plank position, just like this. Your feet are straight out together. Back is straight as well. If you are a little more comfortable with push-ups, you can do a modified push-up. Again, hands are facing forward. We are going to go on our knees and we're gonna go down and up, down and up. Make sure you guys are always facing forward. And again, if you are comfortable doing push-ups, you can do the full push-up in itself. Again, hands facing forward. Got my knees off the ground. My legs are straight, keeping my back straight, and I'm gonna go down and up, down and up, okay? And last, we got flutter kicks. So I'm gonna go ahead and go on my back. Have my legs facing forward, straight out. If you want to bring up your head, you can do that as well to make it a little more challenging and go up and down. Okay, those are called flutter kicks. All right, so get ready for your Fast 5 workout number 14, so stay tuned. 3, 2, 1, and go. Side to side, step, side to side. We're gonna have back foot touch the floor, okay? Challenge yourself to leap as far as you can, side to side. Great job. Don't quit, my friends. Keep working hard. Do your best. All right, let's go. Those walking lateral squats. 1, 2, 3, and then we're gonna go back. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Great job. Again, go right and left. You want to try yourself, go a little bit lower. I know I'm feeling it. Great job, my friends. A couple more seconds left. Let's go. Finish up. All right, let's go. Some push-ups. I'm gonna go and do regular push-ups. You guys can do modified. Completely up to you. Ready? Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Push-ups. Remember to keep your back straight. Hands are facing forward. 30 seconds. You guys can do it. Come on. Push yourself. If you need to take a quick break, that's okay. Take a quick break. Let's jump right back in. All right, we got flutter kicks. Finish it off. Round one's almost done. Flutter kicks. Ready? Go. You're doing great. Keep up the good work. Remember to breathe through your nose. Out through your mouth. All right, time. 1 minute rest. 1 minute rest. Woo! All right. All right, you completed one round already. Again, we're gonna start back at the top with our skaters, walking lateral squats, push-ups, and flutter kicks. Wait till you get some water. Also remember, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what was your most challenging exercise, or what exercise you felt you're the most comfortable with in this round. And again, I'm going to challenge you guys, round 2, push yourself harder, okay? All of these workouts are only 5 minutes, so you guys push as hard as you can for 5 minutes, okay? We have 10 seconds left. Starting in 3, 2, 1, and go. Again, skaters side to side. Again, if you want to challenge yourself, see how far you can leap. To your right and to your left. Let's go, skaters. Work hard, come on. Remember our motto, just finish. One more. All right, let's go. Walk the lateral squats. Squat, go down. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Go back. Lower. Lower. Woo! I've done it. Keep going. All right, let's go. Push-ups. We're going to go and do modified push-ups so you guys can see this time. Starting 3, 2, 1, go. We're going to modify for 30 seconds, 15 seconds, and then I'm going to go into those planks. Again, whatever you guys are comfortable with, give me rest. Okay? Into that plank, 15 seconds. Notice that my back is straight. Okay, I'm not doing a mountain. I'm not doing a heel. So my back is straight. Right. Last one. Finish it off. Let's go. Flutter kicks. Go, go, go. Turn up your core. Turn up your abs. Make sure your toes are pointed up. Push. And time. Nice job. You guys did awesome. Well, I really hope you enjoyed that Fast 5 workout number 14. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys thought about the workout, what exercise you would like to see. And again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P spot, because I would like to see you performing these exercises. So again, don't forget to use our hashtag, the P spot. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care. Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. Alright, so today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called miniature bowling. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. Alright, so here's the setup for this fun game of miniature bowling. What I did is I have about about 4 pool noodles. I have a hula hoop, a water bottle, I put some tape on the floor, and a ball. Those are the only items you're going to need for this activity, so stay tuned and I'll demonstrate this in just a moment. Alright, so your students are first going to start with a rolling motion. So now if you haven't taught your students how to roll, again, quick demonstration. Opposite foot forward, make sure they place the ball in their hand or their dominant hand. They're going to swing it back in a tick-tock motion, staying low to the ground and gradually just releasing the ball as low to the ground as possible. So that's going to be the rolling motion. Now, what I'm going to do is just like any type of bowling activity, you are going to stand behind a bowling lane. This is your bowling lane. What you're going to have to do is roll the ball, and when you roll it, you want it to bank off a wall, come across, and this is where the miniature golf plate comes into play. You want the ball to either land inside of this hula hoop, which will be worth 1 point, or if it knocks down the bottle, it's going to be worth 3 points. Okay? Just like the game of bowling, each individual will get 2 turns per frame. Here we go, level 1. Oh, and I just missed it. Alright, so I'm going to try it again. This is my second turn in my first frame. And I didn't get around. Go. Up, up, and not so much. Needs to put a little more power. Alright, next. Up, up, up. Oh, a little too much power on that one. Alright, so we're moving on to our second frame, and now our second frame we're going to use our opposite hand to roll the ball. So again, I'm right-handed, I'm going to use my left hand on this challenge. Right foot goes forward, left foot goes back. Again, going to release it, try to knock it off the wall and knock down my target. Alright, so here we go. First try.
2, 3, come on.
Oh. And second try. And, oh, there it is. Oop, there it is. All right, so if you guys see, I knocked down the ball, so therefore I got 3 points on my second frame. All right, second frame, Jordan's up, non-dominant hand. Ooh, now. Oh, 3 points on his first try. He still has 1 more try. Again. Up, 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 oh. Good try. Alright, so now for the third frame, instead of rolling, you guys could modify it and change it and actually have the students kick the ball. So you guys could have them use the inside of their foot, again, step with their opposite foot forward, and then swing their leg, and you're going to kick the ball, same thing, bounce it off the wall, and knock down the water bottle for 3 points, or making the hula hoop for 1 point. So stay tuned for frame number 3. So here we go. This is great for accuracy, for striking an object, and as well as strategy. So here we go. Ah, just missed it. A little bit more power. see how I do. Oh, just missed it. Oh, a little to the left. One more time. And use the inside of his foot. He's gonna have to strike it. No, he does not. He got 1 point on that. So in the third frame, Jordan scored 1 point. Round number 4, or frame number 4, which is going to be using our non-dominant foot. So stay tuned. All right, here we go. 4th frame, again using your non-dominant foot. All right, oh, just missed. Oh, it's coming back. And it stopped. All right, here we go. My second shot of this 4th frame. And oh, just goes around over him. All right, here we go. Jordan's up. 4th frame. Oh, pops it right over. Does it have enough power to get to the hole? And it does not. All right, Jordan's up. Second shot's coming up. Oh, that looks like a beauty. Oh, it's going. It's going. It's in for 1 point. Can he get 3? Let's see. We shall. Oh, it tapped up. And 1 point for Jordan. All right, bonus round. So Jordan thought of a really cool and creative obstacle for this miniature bowling lane right here. So make sure you stay tuned, and we're gonna do our bonus round in just a moment. All right, here we go, bonus round. And let's go. Oh, and do I get it to the hoop? Oh, not quite, all right. Second try in my bonus round frame. And let's get going. And, oh, go around, blow. Get in. And it does not. All right, here we go, bonus round. Jordan has decided to kick with his dominant foot. All right, you're up. Oh, too much power. Good kick though, beautiful. Second try of our 5th bonus round frame. Ooh, that looks like it has enough touch. Oh, it's in, 1 point. Can he get 3? Oh, touches it, but does not knock it over. So bonus round, Jordan got 1 point. Well, really hope you enjoyed that game of miniature bowling. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the PE spot, because we'd like to see how you guys are implementing our games into your activities and how you guys are modifying them to meet your students' needs. So again, please don't forget to use the hashtag, the PE spot. And as always, at the PE spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.